is the issue of the Balalo migrants. I don't call them anything else. These are massive migrants coming all the way from Congo. From Congo, they call them Wahema, the Tutsi from Rwanda and Burundi, who have been coming, had this end for many decades. They have been moving up into Uganda, and yet the only Tutsi we knew were the people who ran away when Rwanda was in problem at that time. And then they took here as refuge, and during the 1974 they went back. But this time they are migrants, all the way from Congo, all the way from Rwanda and Burundi. And I have evidence. From a mail, I got 2 identity cards from 2 Tutsi. One is from Rwanda, one is from Burundi. And you know, they ended up, and how did I get it? We didn't harass them, we didn't do anything. They just showed us, they bring us your ID, and then we met. So you can see this. Now, Balalo have been coming here with guns, with a lot of money. Nobody in Uganda has that kind of money the Balalo has. Nobody in Uganda can move with guns the way the Balalo have to do them. So that means the massive migration of the Balalo is basically state prepared, state backed, state finance, and then we have the Tutsi, the Bahima from Uganda. Most of the Bahima from Uganda, who now we have lumped them all as Balalo, started acquiring land here during the time of the war. I can tell you, as you drive towards Afoyo area, on your right, you see somebody's house on top of a hill, and with a farm there. I can tell you that one is for Major General Nathan Mugisha. He got it at the time he was the division commander here. So from then, they were using soldiers to guard this. They were not fighting coins. They were using soldiers to guard this land, because they started farming at that time. So it is the generals of the NRM, including now ministers of the NRM, who are now coming from Western Uganda, but using their local Bahima in big number to come and take care of their animals. You know, so there are 2 categories of people. The Bahima of Uganda who are invading here, who now we call them Balalo. They are actually people within government, high-ranking officials from UPDF, high-ranking officials from the government. So these groups have come, while the Congolese and other people are now massively being used to quantify the number of what, and then the need for housing, for the need for pasture. And as you read in history, the Balalo, their love for pasture is really great. For them, pasture is a symbol. Cows are a symbol of power. Cows are a symbol of manhood. Cows is a symbol of economic power and a symbol of political power. Their lifestyle. If you have not read it, it is all abandoned there in history. That why do you think the Bahima want this? That is why to Bahima, a cow is more important than a non-Muhima. And that demonstrates their characters. Even these migrants who are coming here, the way they are treating our local people, you know, they are really primitive, because those expectations, you can no longer bring them here. So these are the issues that burning that brought people to this.